Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. Today we will learn to make paper cutout art. For this we require white chart paper, black chart paper, cutter or X-Acto knife, pencil, glue. I traced the design on white sheet and now using pencil I am drawing the design. Keep in mind to keep all the non-cutting part connected with each other. So if your design have island like a pattern or design, then keep the center part connected with the body. Next, take the X-Acto knife or cutter and start cutting along the line. I'll make small silhouette painting of Sachin Tendulkar here. I have a habit of writing a name on my drawings and painting, as sometimes people don't recognize my drawings. Now apply glue on the back side of the paper. Align properly and stick to black paper. That's it, our cutout design is ready. Hope you like the video. This video is tribute to God of Cricket Sachin Tendulkar. Comment your suggestions and your reviews about the video in the comment section. Hit that like button in the Master Blaster style. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. Keep creating and I see you next time. Peace.